Hey everyone, it's Mr. Albert. I hope you all are doing well today. We're going to go ahead and read this comic strip about Sherman and answer the questions that follow in the Google form. The person with the hat is Sherman, and we will call this person here Penny. All right, let's get started. Sherman starts off by saying, "It's really cold here. These rabbits must be glad they have long fur." Then Penny responds with, "This environment used to be warmer. It has gotten colder over many generations, and long ago, when it was warmer, there were no long-haired rabbits here." Sherman then says, "How is this possible? I thought adaptive traits had to be present in order for the population to adapt to its environment." Then Penny said, "Yes, but we know that every so often mutations can introduce a new trait into a population." Sherman then says, "Oh, I get it. The rabbits must have been cold, so they had an adaptive mutation for long hair so they would survive." And then Penny says, "Well, no, Sherman, mutation does not work like that. Here's how it really works." Sherman is saying here is that these rabbits were cold, so they chose to have a mutation happen in their DNA for long fur. And what we know about mutation is that it is not a choice, it just happens randomly. So now go ahead and answer the question below that says, why did the mutation that resulted in a long hair trait in these rabbits become more common in the population over time? In order to answer this, you're going to need to have an understanding of mutation and also how the environment impacts how common a trait is. All right, good luck. And remember, if you're stuck, go ahead and email me or shoot me a text so that I can support you through this.